Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another unboxing, and this one is from Jackson's Art. I have some new things to try out today and a new thing there. Let's see, we'll start off. I did pick up some extra watercolor pencils. I have used the Derwent brand before, but I didn't realize that they actually have a student line as well. So I was curious to test them out. So this is the Derwent Academy watercolor pencil set, and there's 12 colors in here. So they'll be fun to try out and compare to my other ones. Let's see here, I just gotta take the plastic off so I can see the color names here real quick. Okay, so what's in here? It's your basic set. We have black, burnt umber, terracotta, yellow ochre, light green, dark green, light blue, ultramarine, purple, red, orange, and cadmium yellow. So they'll be fun to try out. Interested to see the quality in those. And I picked up a new journal. This is the Sea White Travel Journal, watercolor notebook, 60 pages. Okay, and again, I'm going to take the plastic off quick because I just want to see what it looks like here. Ooh, that's nice paper. And it is, they are sewn in, not glued, so that's always good too. I would say right off the bat, the quality reminds me of the Pentalic journal, so that's good because I really enjoyed mine. This is definitely a little bit bigger. I think this was, there were small, medium, and large. I think this was the medium. See, a little over 8 by 6 inches. So that's a good size. Very excited to use that. So I go through my journals pretty quickly, and I did check the Kahati journal that's really popular. That was still sold out, so I decided to go with a harder one instead. Oh, okay. Yeah, these are really new to me. I picked up, these are the Caran d'Ache watercolor crayons. I was so interested in testing these out. Let's see. Everything is really nicely packaged. There's just like little peanuts in here I gotta get out. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's see here. We have, that's really pretty. It's really, really bright turquoise. Is this alizarin? Yeah, crimson alizarin. That writing is so tiny. Okay. Moss green. There's a few different languages on here. Jade green. That's really nice too. And yellow green. Those are all, they're really, really bright. I can't wait to do swatches of those. So I will definitely be doing a swatch video of that for sure. And I still have more here. Oh, that's right. When you forget what you bought. I wanted another little ceramic dish because I do so much watercolor. So that's really cute. That's just the standard dish here. And again, mine is the ceramic little flower dish there. In here. I ordered a bunch more white knights because I love the white knights. They are really great quality for affordable prices. If you've never tried them before, I highly recommend it. Let's see, so, and that's a pencil sharpener for all the new little crayons that I got. So real quick here, I will, let's see, the emerald green I picked up from the white knights, a scarlet, a cadmium yellow. That's not the cadmium though, it's just a bright yellow, a May green, which is a bright green, an orange, because the one I got last time was a little bit light. This is the royal blue, this is one of the pastel colors. And another turquoise, because last time I got the light one and I really enjoyed it, so I got the regular one this time. And then a quinacridone violet, which looked really pretty for florals. So there was a bunch there. So it was quite a bit this time around that I ordered. And like I said, I have some brand new stuff here that I've never tried before. So you can stay tuned for that video coming up. All of these, the Caran d'Ache watercolor crayons, lots more from the White Knights, and then this brand new journal. But thank you so much for watching this unboxing today. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.